Today we are going to show you how to use A to Z World Foods, a resource for recipes and food from over 174 different countries from around the world. To access this resource, first go to our website, kawarthalakeslibrary.ca, and click on Our Collection. Next, click on Digital Library, and we'll scroll down until we see Encyclopedias and General Reference, and there's A to Z World Food there. You'll be prompted to enter in your library card number. And then you'll be logged in. So this is the home page here. World Food features a different country each day, and that will appear on this banner here. And if we scroll down, we can explore food and recipes from different countries. You can select from the map, or you can select the country by list here. So let's say we wanted to find a recipe from Belgium. We'll go ahead and click on that. There'll be a little bit of information about the country and the food culture there. And then along the side, the left-hand side here, that's where you can narrow down your search. So perhaps you want to find an appetizer or a main course or a dessert. You can click on that. And it'll give you a few different options that are relevant to that country. If you find one you like, you can read it right on the computer screen, but you also have the option to print, and then you can have the paper copy of that as well. So that's food and culture. Next, we can look at ingredients. So you can narrow down your search. So let's say I wanted to browse more recipes and food related to fruits. I can click on that. And apples. What this will do will give you some information about whatever ingredient you have selected. And if you scroll down, there will also be some suggested recipes from different countries that you can make that contain that food. Next, along the top bar here is reference. Here you can learn more about topics related to food. So if you scroll down, one of the examples would be this video dictionary, which teaches you how to properly pronounce food names. We can also use the search feature. Now this is really great if you know maybe what you would like to cook with, or if you have a recipe in mind. Or we can also narrow down our search. We'll click on advanced search here by different dietary options. So if I just want vegetarian food, for example, I can narrow that down. I can narrow it by country, and then I can search, and then it'll only bring up vegetarian options for me. So that was A to Z World Foods. Give it a try. Hopefully you'll find a new amazing recipe that you'll enjoy making, and thanks for listening.